Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel of Testler Education Consultancy Services. So here we are again with our one more video. It is about IELTS reading. Now you must have seen in my previous videos about the other sections of IELTS. So this is one of the other videos that I'm having here. So this is all about IELTS reading. Reading क्या होती है, किस टाइप से होती है, कितने टाइप की होती है, what kind of questions come and time duration क्या होता है, everything I'm going to answer in this particular video. So here we are talking about IELTS reading, and reading is definitely segregated into two types: academic reading and general reading. In introduction, if you remember, I specifically mentioned कि IELTS के जो दो parts होते हैं, academic और general, उसमें सिर्फ दो ऐसे sections होते हैं which are slightly different, not very much, just slightly different. For example, in reading, there are a few things that you will definitely be covering up in this video, and in writing as well there are some slight changes. Listening and speaking is same whether we talk about general IELTS or academic IELTS. Now we are talking about IELTS reading. So academic reading includes 3 passages, but here in general reading we have 5 passages, and the time given to do this whole reading task is 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. So overall you get 1 hour to complete the whole reading task, in which you are supposed to attempt 40 questions. So you are supposed to attempt 40 such questions within 1 hour. So every question carries 1 mark only, and you are supposed to do these many questions in 1 hour given time. You cannot ask for the extra timing in this case. Like I mentioned in listening that you will be getting 10 minutes extra to transfer your answers. You are not going to get such extra time over here. You are supposed to write everything in the given timing, in the given 1 hour only. Now, how the academic reading is different from general reading? In academic reading, you get 3 passages, but in general reading, you get 5 passages. Now, what is the difference in these passages? In the academic reading, the passages are a little lengthy, but in case of general reading, these are shorter ones. Okay, so such kind of 5 passages will be given. Short passages will be there, but here they are a little lengthy. But if I talk about academic reading, number of questions are same, 40 here, 40 there. So here these will be in simple questions. The questions given to you will be simple, but here there will be some tricky questions. Okay. If I talk about passages, their vocabulary is a little difficult, but here it is easy. Now, general reading has very easy vocabulary in the given passages, but here there will be difficult vocabulary in the given passages. That is the reason they are lengthy. But if I talk about checking, so general reading has strict checking, but if I talk about checking criteria, but in case of academic reading, they have very lenient checking. That is the reason, because they have lengthier passages, and the passages are a little difficult from the general reading, which is why their checking is easy. Lenient basically. Now, except these, there are no such other things which are different in academic reading or general reading. These are the main things which are different in both the reading tasks. There is nothing except this which is totally different from both the kinds of reading. Now, if I talk about task type, tasks are of these types. It can be MCQ questions, like for example multiple choice, in which you are supposed to check or tick mark any one answer. There can be one word answer or 2 word answer. Also there can be not more than 3 word answer. And also sometimes what do they do is they give you list of headings which you are supposed to tick mark or write according to the alphabets. Like there will be some number of alphabets given to you, and you are supposed to give them an alphabet according to the given passage. So such kind of questions come, and there is yes, no, not given, or true, false, not given. So this is another type of question in which you are supposed to read the statement. If it is true or similar to the given statement given in the passage, then it will be a yes or true statement. But if it is opposite of it, then it will be false or no statement. But if there is such kind of question given in the question answers which they did not even talk about in the whole passage, then that will be not given statement. So this is how you are supposed to do reading task. But there are some tips and tricks to do these particular tasks, how to find out whether we are supposed to read the whole paragraph or not, the whole passage or not, whether we have to go for some keywords only. So there are some tips and tricks that we ask our students to follow. So for more such videos and for more such things, make sure to stay tuned and keep writing in the comment section if you have such kind of questions. We will definitely be answering that. Bye bye.